Hello friend, welcome back to my channel TechW3Way. This is Vijay Kumar. Today we will be see an example of a screen flow in Salesforce. In this example, we will be create a lead from a screen flow. After create a lead, we will be send an email through email action. Then save the screen flow and activate this. After activating the screen flow, we will be launch the screen flow from quick action button in Salesforce. So let's get started. So friends, this is my org of Salesforce. Simply go to the flow and there is a new button to create a new flow. To click on the new flow, select the screen flow, then create. Change auto layout to freeform. So friend, now I am creating a lead. So as you know, if you're creating a lead, some fields are required. So in that lead, the last name, company, lead status, it will be required fields. So I will be take a component, last name, company, lead status, and also will take a email ID so that we will be send an email to user. So in the flow, first we will be create first name, last name. So go to the flow in the element screen, select drag and drop here, write the name of the screen. So I'm writing lead details. Then text, first name is required field, text, last name, label name, last name, API last name, it is a required field. After that, company, it is a required field. After that, lead status. Lead status is a pick list value, so search pick list in the component lead status. Lead status coming from choice set because it is a pick list value. So I will create a choice. Create a choice pick list set. API name lead status list. Object name lead because lead status coming from lead. Select pick list. Field name lead status. Lead status. Field name lead status. Status, then done. So screen after that done. So I have created a screen, then I created a record of lead. So there is a create record, select and drag drop. Create lead. I am getting one record, so selecting one. Select to use separate resource and literal value. So we can select a object name. So I am creating a record of lead. So I am selecting lead. Then value. It is a field name and it is a value. So left hand side it is a field name, right hand side will be assign the value that is coming from screen. So name, first name, last name, company name, and lead status. First name, assign, value will be first name, last name, value will be last name, email, email, note. So Email is a main directory because I am sending a email to user. So also I will add a one another component email. Email here. Email done. Create a record. Create lead record. Use separate resource lead. First name. Value will be first name. Last name. Value will be last name. Lead status will be lead status and email because I am sending email. Email. Email value. Okay. Email value then done. So I have created a screen. I have created a record of lead. After that, I need a create a variable to store a email ID. New resource variable email collection. Data type text and check mark allow multiple value. So I am storing multiple email in this variable. After that, I will be assign lead assignment email assignment email collection and value coming from email and value. If you want to add multiple email ID, then you can add another one email like email collection and you can write your email here. So it will be add in this collection. So I am nothing add here. I will be get email from here and send email to this email ID. Then done. After that, I will select action to send an email ID. Search action to email. Action email and email sample. Send email. If I name send email, enable the body. New resource variable new resource text template API name body text view plain text hide first name thank you for given your details. Thanks and done. After that, collection, email template ID, login email ID, receipt address collection, and enable the email collection. Collection will be email collection, and subject welcome create a resource as well. Here, create a new resource template. Welcome to Salesforce. And here is a plain text. Welcome. Salesforce. Done. So label name is an email. Body is a body text. I create a template resource. Email collection from coming from email ID fill from lead. And there is a subject. Then done. After that, match the arrow. Save the row. Send email from lead. Activate the flow. So friends, in this scenario, we will be call the screen flow on the quick action button. So I will create a quick action button on the lead. Go to the object manager, lead, button, action, new action. Select flow, name of the flow, create, send email from lead. This is my flow name. Label name, send, mail, send email, and save. I creating quick action button on the lead object. Button has been created. Then go to the layout of lead, page layout, lead layout, send email. This is a button. I am drag and drop here. Then save it. Go to the lead, open any of the record, edit the page. Not need to edit the page, go back. If you open any of the record of lead, you can find send email that is created recently. And click send email button. Here I will create a record of lead. So I am creating a lead Vijay Kumar, company name take W3 Wave. Data status is open. Email ID W3 Wave name @gmail.com. Then next. I am getting error, so checking the email ID. Why I am getting error? Required field are missing. Missing field is company. So let's go back on my flow. In the screen flow, first name, last name, company is there. So the user receive from company from here and create record. In the create record, I know mention company. So I need to add a company name here as well. Company, and company value will be here, company. Then done. Save as it, save and activate once again. Now I am creating once again a record after saving the refreshing this record. I am creating once again same email. Click on the button. First name Vijay. Kumar. Company name. Take W3 Wave. Email ID W3 wavenet@gmail.com. Now next. Go to the lead and you can see one record has been created. Lead. So name Vijay Kumar, company take W3 Wave, email ID take W3 Wave, net@gmail.com. Now I'm going to my email. Go back, index. As you can see, I got one email from Flow. Thank you. Give your details. So friends, it's working. Try to create from your side. If you're getting anything issue, please write in comment box and don't forget to subscribe my channel.